Hi folks, it's Moz here, and I've been in contact with DeAgostini, and they have now sent me their new Ford Mustang Shelby, and it's in 1:6 scale, and they're going to send me the bits every single month to build up this marvelous car. I will be building this faithful reproduction of one of the most iconic American cars. It's fully detailed with a lightning dashboard, meters and features of light and sound activated by a remote control, and it's also done manually. So this is pack 1 that I've received this week, and I thought I would do an unboxing of what we get in this first set. Now, if you know how the DeAgostini collectibles system works, is that you are basically subscribing each month to DeAgostini, and you'll receive I think it's either 4 to 6 parts of the build, and they all come in like a vacuum packed plastic box. So you have to take out all the plastic and everything and then build this stage by stage. This one obviously is the Shelby. Now apparently the specifications are that it comes with roll up and down windows, door handle mechanism. They also have turning signals. They have lightning dashboards, and they have more detailed parts like the engine and the dashboard, and they feature lights and sound that can be activated by a remote control, or you can activate them manually. Well, you know, I think you can press the button in the actual car and things will work. So I'm presuming if you want to turn left, you just touch on the old stalk and it will turn left. You know, these little things will flash the lights, obviously. But I thought we'd do an unboxing first, because I am going to build this live. So once a month, when the parts come, we will build this live. Not going to record it. It's all going to go live, and hopefully you can see this being built in real time. So we'll remove the bits I've got already. So there's pack 1 and pack 2, which obviously contains a wheel. Also, you will get basically a poster. I think this is a poster. I guess, is this the poster? Yeah, like a little poster of the Ford Mustang, and you get a welcome letter saying, "Dear collector, welcome to Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. We are glad you've joined us and are sure you will love this thrilling adventure." And you can go onto their website, deagostini.com, but I will leave a link in the description box below where you can order this kit. So you get your instruction manuals, which are brilliant. We'll go into them in a minute. But this is the actual, the start basically of your journey with DeAgostini. So there it's telling you all here, a car with a legendary reputation. More than 50 years after its creation, you can enjoy this 1:6 scale reproduction of a legendary car, an extraordinary scale model that is a tribute to an unrepeatable era. This is a unique opportunity to build step by step your own 1967 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, a car held in the highest esteem by lovers of speed and competition. So this is basically what you're getting, and you'll get something like this every single month. You also get some freebies as well, like some mugs, poster, and you also get a 1/40th scale car as well in the mix, but we will digress for a minute. So there you go. Have you ever dreamed of owning a Ford Mustang? Well, yeah, who hasn't? And so it gives you some information about the car on this page. We'll just flip it around, and then you'll get every single month an exclusive and comprehensive magazine, which also helps you in building the vehicle. It's easy assembly. So it's detailed step-by-step assembly, clear instructions and simple explanations with photographs and diagrams. And you really don't need to be an expert modeler. You will not have to paint this. You will not have to put any decals on. You're basically clip and stick and basically, well, not with glue obviously, but with the adhesives they give you and the screws and bolts or whatever's needed to put it together. And you don't need to trim anything, it's just there. So we'll show you this in a bit. We'll get to the parts, but I'm not going to build any of it now. This is an introduction to this, because I will be doing this as a live stream. Okay, so we'll turn over the page here, and I thought, oh, this is the big poster. Wow, this massive poster. Sorry, I can't. I'll take a picture of it while it's on the table so you can see this. But it's a shame it's not rolled up because you get all the crease lines in it, so you're going to get these white marks. But it would have been nice if they had rolled it up. Just one little criticism. Right, so you can see by the pictures here how detailed this is. Look at that steering wheel. Look at the dash. Look, you've got the spare wheel in the boot. You've got the lights that light up. It does look the dog's bollocks, it really does. So dimensions of this kit, it will be 79 centimeters. That's 3/4 of a meter long. That's huge. Width of it is 31 centimeters. Height of it is 23 centimeters. If you're Imperial, then that'd be 31 inches long, 12 inches wide, and 9 inches tall. Okay. Headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and horn are activated by a remote control. So you get a remote control with this as well. The steering wheel turns the wheels. The doors and the windows will open and close, so you're able to wind it up and wind it down. The remote control is included in the collection, and it's a static machine with a metal bodywork, so it's all metal. There you go. You get some more gifts with this. So it looks like your first gift are 3 posters that you can frame. The second is the official magazine binder, so you can have a binder to put all your bits in. The official collection mug, which is cool. And it looks like you get 2. You get the white version, the white and navy blue, and you also get a miniature version of the green one that you're building. And that is 1/43 scale. So, you know, Airfix do the little starter sets, you know, 1/43 scale. So if you want to know what kind of size they're going to be, that's the size those cars are. And if you pay a bit extra, you can have a showcase to go with it as well. Okay, and as I said, it comes once a month and you'll end up with parts. Right, instruction time. So you get a magazine. This was number 1, and it basically is a history as well. So it tells you about the launch of the Mustang in this particular one. The Galloping Horse Edge is telling you inside a Pony Corral was designed by Phil Clark. Okay, some more information there, and this happens in every single magazine. And then you have how to put it together. So this is the pack you get, telling you what you're getting in there, parts supplied. It tells you the screws. It even comes with a screwdriver, but I would recommend buying a separate set of tools. I have done this already because I've been building another DeAgostini kit, and you can pick these ones up quite cheap from Amazon. I think I paid a £5, and basically it's giving you the screw, you know, what you need really. And I think if you can turn the heads basically, so you've got double enders on this one to help you build it. So this one's you won't really need this one because these are the specialist tools, but this one here, it gives you everything that you need on this one. So you've got your posi or your Phillips end, and on this end you've got a flathead. But I think most of the screws you'll need will probably be this size here, which is like a Phillips size, which is a PH treble O. That's the one I use. So there you go. There's a little bit of a tip there for when you build it. I've got the screwdriver. It's all right, but I just find over time the end's a little bit soft. So get a harder one, and you'll be fine. And then you go step by step. So step 1, it looks like you are the left turn signal support, and you're clipping that in. It tells you exactly where it is. There's a little notch, so you can't get it wrong. And then step 1, part 1, step 3. So it's part 1, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and basically you're pretty much done. And that's the first bit done, basically. So in the center is the instructions. So the final result, you look like you've got your bodywork all together. Then it tells you where it's going to be assembled on the model. Okay, so there's that bit, and then you've got some more history in the back. And there's the 4.7 litre Shelby engine there. Lovely picture there. It's really, it's a brilliant little system. And as I say, you pay for it monthly, and as I say, it's a subscription. So there's part 1. And then we'll move on to the part 2, this one here. And again, you open up and it tells you more history of the vehicle. So it's an education as well as building a pristine model. And I'll tell you what, the pictures are glorious. It is a glossy, lovely, well, not glossy magazine, but a lovely magazine. And this one here is showing you what's in the parts. So if you get this bit here, There you go. So all that is in the box, and it'll tell you how to put it all together. So this time step 2, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. It says here to make the mounting the wheel easier, you can soften the tyres in warm water. I wouldn't do that because, you know, this is a metal model. This is cast, and if you do that, you may end up rusting. You might end up rusting bits. But yeah, so you click it in, and it looks like it's there. You can see what it is there. It looks like it's got a pair of tweezers to help you push it in, or maybe use the back of a screwdriver, but don't scratch it. Again, more information there on how to do it. Again, it's looking like it's got a pair of tweezers holding it in position, and there you go. It tells you where that part's going to be located on the model. Some more information about the Ford story, the Ford Thunderbird at NASCAR again, and then a little bit here, the series car. So, you know, Hooters. I've never been to one in Nottingham. So basically, that's it. It's, if you want to build this Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 1967, there'll be a link in the description box below. As I said, I will be building this as a live stream once a month. So when I get it, a couple of days after I get it, I will then continue to build this on. So keep an eye out for those videos. As I said, it is basically bolt and screw together job. You don't have to worry about painting it. It's all done for you. Anyways, that's it. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all. You'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave in the box below, because I do reply, and I'll see you on the live streams. So be subscribed to pick them up. Cheers.